Hey friends, it's Jacqueline here. In today's video, I'm gonna be walking into unknown territory. Yeah, I do my nails at home, and when I say I do my nails at home, my manicure at home is very simple. It's just a simple manicure, and I use regular basic nail polish at home. In the past, when I was in my 20s, early 30s, I used to use acrylic nails, and then I decided to just give up, and I'm like, okay, no more. Aside to that, they were just too expensive. You know, it just becomes expensive. I do actually go to the nail salon to do my pedicure, but you know, in the circumstances that we are right now, that's not feasible. Anyhow, Madam Glam reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their gel nail polishes, and I'm like, well, why not? And honestly, this is going to be like my first impressions, first time doing this, and I'm just gonna, you know, walk you into, okay, what to expect, what to do. I have watched a few videos here on YouTube here and there just to kind of like be like, okay, what I'm supposed to do now, but here they are. So I think they came out pretty good. I will give you my final thoughts at the end of this first impressions video. So if you want to see my first time doing gel nail polish, then just keep on watching. My package, I received the base coat, then 2 nail polishes that they are from their new collection. It's called Say Yes to the Nude collection, which is kind of like a bridal collection, which I'm really excited about because, as you know, I cater weddings. I'm an event planner too, and I work with a lot of brides. So this is just not only a beautiful collection for something very soft, very feminine, but perfect for weddings. And they have 10 different shades. The shades that they send me are soft pink. And this is a very nice, like a baby pink color. And then they also send me the shade Bloom, which is a shade that I particularly love too, and something that I use very, very often. It's also a pink, but a little bit more nude, a little bit more muted. Here's also the top coat. And then they also sent me this gel polish remover. So obviously we're not gonna be using this one today. And they also sent me this mini UV LED lamp. And you have a little stand like this too. We will open it in just a minute. So let me just show you what I usually use when I do my manicure at home. It's just basically a paper towel right here. Then I really like this Sally Hansen instant cuticle remover. This is what I use to just clean my cuticles on my nails. You're also going to need a cuticle clipper, then a cuticle pusher like these. I also like to use these ones right here. These are just wooden ones, so I have these right here. Then you're gonna need a nail buffer and a nail filer, and this is a nail filer that I like the most. This is made out of glass. I bought these at Ulta. All the products that I will be using today, they will be on the description box below. You're also going to need a cotton brown or a cotton ball, whatever you prefer, and some alcohol. I usually have this bottle of alcohol right here, right next to all my makeup and beauty station, just for sanitizing and cleaning. So as you can see, I have already removed all my nail polish right here, so it's nice and clean. I'm gonna start by removing my cuticles and cleaning my nails. So I just apply a little bit of these right here. These you're just supposed to just leave it for just a few seconds. I'm not sensible to this product, but I know that some people are, but these are, to me, this is one of the best cuticle gel removers. And then you're gonna just need 1 cuticle pusher and just start cleaning your cuticles. Now this gel remover is great because honestly it actually dissolves completely your cuticles. And usually after I'm done removing my cuticles, I like to wash my hands. You can just wipe the product, but since it's a chemical, I'd rather wash them. So I'm gonna go and go ahead and wash them. Just removing, gentle, If you're not comfortable doing these, you can just skip this step. Now I'm going to use my nail filer, and like I said, this is one of my favorite nail filers. It's made out of glass, and it just really helps at filing your nails and just leave them super smooth without causing any damage. If your nails are not too strong, definitely this type of nail file, it's great because it will not ruin your nail. It will actually help for it to grow more healthy. So let's just even out the nail with the nail buffer, and I use the size 4 for even out, and then if I need to smooth my nail a little more, then I use this size 5 right here. And then you just press it right here, and you see it just turned on like that. And that's perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into this. And then first we need to use this base gel. And be careful to do not go over your skin. I'm gonna cure my nails for 2 minutes. The lamp has a sensor that it will go off in 1 minute. So I'm just gonna do a double round per coat. I want something very light, so I'm going to go with the shade Soft Pink. And I'm going to go through the same process. I'm just going to cure it for 2 minutes. The shade is super pretty, but I'm going to do a second coat. I'm going to cure it again for 2 more minutes. Now we need to use that top coat. And let's repeat the same process with the light. What I'm noticing with the light is that you really need to press hard on the on and off button in order for it to work. There you go. So I'm done with the top coat, and it says here soak off, no wiped top coat, but it doesn't have any like additional information, directions on how to use it. Now I heard before that usually when you touch the nails after the top coat, there's some gooiness or stickiness to it. I don't feel anything of that. Regardless, I'm gonna go ahead and use a cotton and a little bit of alcohol. And I'm just gonna pass it through just as you will do with a regular gel nail polish. Believe me, I have been watching different tutorials because I was afraid to mess it all up. But yeah, that's all what you need to do. Honestly, they look beautiful, nice and shiny, and I love the shade. Definitely need to do these other hands, so let's just fast forward and get it all done. And here are my nails, how they look. I think the result is pretty good. I don't know, you are the judge right here, but I like them and I like the color too. What it made me say yes to Madam Glam and try the brand is because they are a vegan brand. Also, they are cruelty-free and they are 9-free formula too, which means that this formula is not harsh for your nails. So it's a safe gel nail polish for at-home use. I'm completely done with my manicure. Here they are. I mean, I think they turn out really good. I think I have some feedback for you if you are just like me diving into this new world of gel nail polish. My left hand side. Okay, so if I see my nails up close, I can see that I have used perhaps too much product, while on my right hand side, because I obviously had my experience with this side right here, you definitely do not need much of a product. So make sure you kind of like, you know, like tap and remove some of the nail polish from your brush before putting it on your nails. And I think that's why, if you're one of my subscribers, you know Mia, my daughter, my oldest daughter, I take her to do her nails. She likes to do her nails, and what I observe is that when they apply the nail polish, they kind of like wrap your hand this way and they just try to pull down the product, and I think that's what I needed to do. So I see the difference between this hand and this hand. I used too much product right here than here. Also, I went with 2 layers of nail polish because I wanted to have a little bit more opacity on my nails. That's just the way that I personally like it. But I think overall they look really beautiful. They are extra shiny, and I mean, nothing hurt. I didn't feel any like sensibility on my cuticles or around my nail, you know, my skin. There was no redness, and overall I think they look fantastic. I mean, they really look really good. Now I will definitely keep you updated on how do they wear, because it is my understanding that nail gel polishes, they do last longer than regular nail polish. So I will keep you posted either on a pinned comment right here on this video or on my Instagram on how they lasted. And perhaps, depends on you. You let me know in the comments below. Would you like to see me when I change my nail polish? Because I really want to try the other one, but obviously, I mean, I just did this one, so I'm gonna wait until, you know, the nails look decent and good, and then maybe try the remover to see how it works, how easy it is to remove these gel nails, because I have seen that some people use the aluminum, but Madam Glam has sent me the remover, so I want to try that and then see how the other nail polish color works. So you let me know whether you want to see it here on YouTube, or perhaps I can do an IGTV on my Instagram and we can take it from there, and that way we can follow up. And in the meantime, although this video is not sponsored by Madam Glam, they have gave me a discount code for you guys. It is not an affiliate code or anything like that, but it's a discount code for you of 30% off. So I will put it right here, and also it will be all down on the description box below. I would love to hear your comments. Have you tried to do your manicure and your nails at home with gel polish? Have you tried Madam Glam? Have you tried the remover? I would love to hear from you. So please, again, leave your comments down below. And while you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, I hope that you will consider and subscribe to my channel. Also ring that bell. Make sure you tap it well so you don't miss any of my content. I have great videos coming up here for you, and I would love for you to become part of my family. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also share with family and friends. Let's entertain ourselves while we're here, you know, trying to get distracted of everything that is going on. And until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.